This class is on the subject biology, and I will be treating the topic transport system, otherwise known as the circulatory system, with you today. My name is Ajijafe Abdul Haq. First, the topic outlines. There are 4 outlines for today's class. The first outline is the circulatory system, after which I will discuss the features of the circulatory system with you. Also, organs or parts of the circulatory system. And the last outline I will be discussing in today's class will be on the functions of the circulatory system. Now, the class objectives. At the end of today's class, you all should be able to define transport system, know the functions of transport system, know the organs of transport system, know the structure of circulatory system, and know the features of circulatory system. Now to the definition of circulatory system. The role of transportation is undertaken by the human circulatory system, moving essential nutrients and minerals throughout the body and metabolic waste products away from the body. Circulatory system, also known as the cardiovascular system, consists of the organs and fluids that transport materials across the body. All vertebrates, including humans, have a closed circulatory system. Circulatory system also is a network of arteries, veins, and capillaries, with the heart pumping blood through it. Its primary role is to provide essential nutrients, minerals, and hormones to various parts of the body. Now to the features of the circulatory system. I'll be discussing 4 features of the circulatory system today. The crucial features of human circulatory system are as follows. The human circulatory system consists of blood, heart, blood vessels, and lymph. The human circulatory system circulates blood through 2 loops, and this process of circulating blood through 2 loops is known as double circulation. One for oxygenated blood and another for deoxygenated blood. The human heart consists of 4 chambers, 2 ventricles and 2 auricles. The primary function of blood vessels is to transport oxygenated blood and nutrients to all parts of the body. It is also tasked with collecting metabolic waste to be expelled from the body. The human circulatory system possesses a body-wide network of blood vessels. This comprises of arteries, veins, and capillaries. Now, moving forward, the next outline I will be discussing is the organs of the circulatory system. The human circulatory system has 4 vital organs, which perform specific roles and functions. The vital circulatory system organs include the heart, the blood vessels, and lymphatic system. Now the heart. What is the heart? The heart is a muscular organ located in the chest cavity, right between the lungs. It is positioned slightly towards the left in the thoracic region and is enveloped by the pericardium. This is the picture of the heart as shown in the image in the figure. Now, when I was talking about the features of circulatory system, I made mention of the double circulation. That the double circulation is a system where blood circulates through 2 loops. Now, I'll talk extensively about double circulation now. The way blood flows in the human body is unique, and it is quite efficient too. The blood circulates through the heart twice, hence it is called double circulation. Other animals like fish have single circulation, where blood completes a circuit through the entire body only. The main advantage of double circulation is that every tissue in the body has a steady supply of oxygenated blood, and it does not get mixed with the deoxygenated blood. The next I'll be talking about is the blood. The blood is the body's fluid connective tissue, and it forms a vital part of the human circulatory system. The Blood is mainly composed of plasma. Plasma is the fluid part of the blood and is composed of 90% of water. Red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets constitute the solid part of the blood. Now, types of blood cells. I'll be taking you through 3 types of blood cells today. The human body consists of 3 types of blood cells, namely red blood cells, erythrocytes. The red blood cells are mainly involved in transporting oxygen, nutrients, and other substances to various parts of the body. These blood cells also remove waste from the body. White blood cells, also known as leukocytes. The white blood cells are specialized cells which functions as the body's defense system. They provide immunity by fending off pathogens and harmful microorganisms. And the last type of blood cells I'll be talking about today are the platelets, thrombocytes. The platelets are cells that help to form clots and stop bleeding. They act on the site of an injury or wound. Now moving forward, I'll be talking about the blood vessels now. The blood vessels are a network of pathways through which blood travels throughout the body. And generally, I'll be discussing about 2 examples of the blood vessels. The first one is known as the arteries. The arteries are blood vessels that transport oxygenated blood from the heart to various parts of the body. The arteries are thick, elastic, and are divided into small network of blood vessels called capillaries. Now, veins. Veins are blood vessels that carry the oxygenated blood towards the heart from various parts of the body. Veins are thin, elastic, and present closer to the surface of the skin. Now, the third organ I will be talking about is the lymphatic system. The human circulatory system consists of another body fluid called lymph. It is also known as a tissue fluid. It is produced by the lymphatic system, which comprises a network of interconnected organs, nodes, and ducts. The lymph is a colorless fluid consisting of salt, protein, water, which transports and circulates digested food and absorbs fats to intercellular spaces in the tissues. Now I'll be talking about the functions of the circulatory system. The most important function of the circulatory system is transporting oxygen throughout the body. The other vital functions of the circulatory system are as follows. It helps in sustaining all the organ systems. It transports blood, nutrient, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and hormones throughout the body. It protects cells from pathogens. It acts as an interface for cell-to-cell interaction, and the substances present in the blood helps repair the damaged tissues. Now, assignments. I'll be giving you 3 questions to make up the assignment for today's class. The first question is the human circulatory system opened or closed? Second question, what are the parts of the circulatory system? And the third and last question to make up your assignment for today's class is to list 3 types of blood cells. You have to know the assignments are to be submitted online through the email training@educom.ng. Thank you.